Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss Unit 4, which is about child development. Child development is the study of how children grow, learn, and mature over time. It includes physical, emotional, social, and cognitive development, and understanding it is crucial for teachers, psychologists, and parents to support each child's holistic growth. Stages of child growth and development. Child development refers to systematic changes in physical, cognitive, emotional, and social abilities from birth to adolescence. These changes are predictable yet unique to each child. Why it matters? Teacher can design age-appropriate instruction. Parents can support development through proper guidance. Helps identify developmental delays or exceptional abilities. Major stages. First stage is infancy, which is from 0 to 2 years. Rapid growth physically and neurologically. Development of basic reflexes, sucking, grasping, motor reflex. Attachment formation, trust versus mistrust. Erikson. Early language acquisition, babbling, first words, sensory exploration, touch, taste, smell, vision, hearing. A 10-month-old crawling toward a parent demonstrates both motor and attachment developments. Second stage is early childhood, which is from 3 to 6 years. Development of imagination and creativity through play. Language skills improves rapidly, can form complete sentences. Early social interactions with peers. Moral reasoning begins. Piaget. Understanding fairness, rules, gross and fine motor skills refined. Example, a 4-year-old sharing toys with classmates shows social emotional growth. Third stage is middle childhood, which is 6 years, from 6 years to 12 years. Logical thinking emerges, can solve concrete problems. Peer relationships become central to social development. Academic skills expand, reading, writing, math. Self-concept and self-esteem strengthen. Physical coordination allows sports and complex motor activities. Example, a 9 years old working in a team project at school demonstrates cooperation and cognitive skills integration. Fourth stage is adolescence, which is from 12 to 18 years. Puberty triggers physical changes and hormonal shifts. Abstract thinking develops, can understand hypothetical situation, identify formation, who am I, Erikson identity versus role confusion. Emotional volatility and peer influence peak, social independence and moral reasoning evolve. Example, a 15-year-old volunteering for a social cause shows moral development and social responsibility. Practical classroom applications. Design age-appropriate tasks. Use play-based learning for early childhood. Encourage peer collaboration in middle childhood. Support identity exploration and critical thinking in adolescence. Emotional development in children. Emotional development refers to how children learn to experience, express, and regulate emotions, and how they understand the emotions of others. Importance. Emotionally aware children form better relationships, enhances learning motivation and stress coping abilities. Poor emotional development can result in behavioral problems. There are stages which about which we already learned. Theoretical link Erikson success in psychosocial stages depend on emotional competence. Vygotsky social interactions help children express and manage emotions. For example, a child calming a friend shows empathy. Writing feelings in a diary enhances self awareness. Classroom applications, emotion labeling. Teachers verbalize emotion to children. You look frustrated because the puzzle is hard. Model coping strategies, deep breathing, counting, storytelling. Encourage expression, art, role play, drama. Social development definitions. Social development refers to how children learn to interact with others, understand societal rules, develop relationships, and build social identity. Key concepts socialization, learning cultural norms, values, and behaviors. Peer interaction teaches cooperation, negotiation, and conflict resolution. Role of play essential for practicing social rules. Influence of family and culture shapes attitude, beliefs, and behavior. Example, sharing toys or waiting in a queue reflects social development. Concepts and nature of social development. Nature of social development, progressive, develops gradually layer by layer. Interpersonal, occurs through interaction with family, peers, teachers. Culturally mediated, social norms vary by society and culture. Integrated with emotions, social and emotional development are intertwined. Social and emotional development are intertwined. Practical example, group projects encourage cooperation, negotiation, and leadership skills. Activities to promote social development, cooperative learning, group games, peer monitoring, peer mentoring, class discussions. Theories of social development. Social development in the children is how they learn to interact, communicate, cooperate, and form relationships. Several major psychologists have explained how children develop socially, and these theories are essential for teachers and parents to guide children effectively. First theory is Erikson psychosocial development theory. The core idea of this theory is children face psychosocial challenges at different stages. Successfully resolving each stage builds healthy social skills and confidence. Stages relevant to children. Number 1. Trust versus mistrust. 0 to 1 years. Infant learns to trust or mistrust caregivers caregivers based on care reliability. Example, a baby who is comforted when crying learns trust. Autonomy versus shame and doubt. 1 to 3 years. Toddler develops independence and control over actions. Example, a child learning to dress themselves gains confidence. Number 3, initiative versus guilt, 3 to 6 years. Children assert power, take initiative and explore. Example, organizing a pretend game or leading a small activity. Number 4, industry versus inferiority, 6 to 12 years. Children build competence in skills and tasks. Examples, completing a project successfully increases confidence. Number 5, identity versus role confusion, from 12 to 18 years. Adolescents explore identity, values, and roles, trying out clubs or hobbies to discover personal interest. Piaget. Our second theory is Piaget cognitive development and social development. The core idea of this theory is social development occurs through interaction with peers, helping children understand rules, fairness, and moral reasoning. Stages relevant to social learning. Heteronomous morality, 4 to 7 years. Children see rules as absolute. Example, a child obeys rules to avoid punishment. Autonomous morality, 7 to 12 years. Children understand rules can be agreed upon. Example, negotiating turns fairly during a game. Classroom tip, encourage peer discussion and collaborative problem solving. Our third theory is Vygotsky social construction. Children learn socially guided by adults or more capable peers. Key concepts, zone of proximal development, ZPD. Tasks a child can do with help but not alone. Example, teachers guide students in solving a tricky problem. Scaffolding, temporary support to help child succeed. Example, modeling steps in a craft project before letting child try. Number 3, language and private speech. Talking helps thinking and social communication. Example, child verbalizes steps while building blocks. Fourth theory is Bandura social learning theory. Children learn by observing and imitating others, not just through direct experience. Observational learning, attention, retention, reproduction, motivation. Child shares after seeing classmate praised for sharing. Classroom tip, model positive behaviors, use real role play and reinforcement.